What's up guys? On another episode of our shop series, we're working on another Peterbilt semi-truck. Now this truck needs a lot of love, as it's been in an accident and the fender has been caved in, as well as the hood has been pushed in just a little bit because of fender. Now the owner has also bought a conversion kit to remove the sleeper and wants us to put a fresh coat of white paint while we do all of this. Now he's removed a lot of the components himself to make it easier for us to do our paint work. So until the conversion kit arrives, we'll start prepping the body and get it ready for paint. One of these days, I'm going to make a headlight stand for some of these semi-trucks that come in. But until then, I'm going to continue to take off some of these parts and even the vinyl stickers. That will help when it comes down to sanding and prepping the body. Now, the back of the cab had a sleeper installed, and there's this rubbery residue that is left over. I'll be using a paint removal brush that will help get the sticky residue off, and then I'll follow with a DA sander to remove any of the lines during the process. During the process of prepping this, the owner had stopped by and stated that he ordered the wrong conversion kit and decided that he wanted to get a custom window put in by a glass company instead of us doing the conversion kit. So he asked us to continue painting the truck. Since this fender was so damaged, we were just going to replace it. Now the bucks holding it will need to be cut or grinded down in order for the new fender to be installed. After, I'll sand and prep the truck for some epoxy primer. This will give us a solid foundation to start the bodywork and blocking process. After a few rounds of blocking and sanding, we are actually ready to start spraying some color. Now, I'll work my way from the top, layering down about 3 coats of color, followed by 3 coats of clear. After the paint has been set up, we'll remove all of our masking paper and tape and then reinstall any of the parts that we have removed before painting. I'll clean up any of the old parts to give them a better blend to the new paint. Now, this project is just about completed and is looking fantastic. I wish we would have gotten the chance to complete the conversion, but I'm overall happy with the turnout. Now stay tuned for more of our shop series as well as some of our other builds that are starting soon. I know we've been really busy lately, but we have awesome projects in the works.